As murders and shootings continue out west, the Area 1 police is set to receive additional support. Speaking at a media briefing earlier this week, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson provided details.
We have used the laws we have, but also we've had to pivot, as I said recently, which means we have to change some of the things we are doing, the details of which I'm not going to say clearly. But we expect to see this trend by this quarter, over this quarter, start to shift away from this increase in Area 1 to start to stabilize it and bring it under some control as we deal with lottery scamming and the persons who are using these results, this benefit from scamming in this way of really getting guns.